what the tri-blade. So there you go. So that's just a little bit of scaling for you. So it's pretty cool. And let's go and carry on. Okay, so we've got to put the propeller together. It's quite a unique, iconic propeller. It's a tri-blade prop. You've got to install it together, and it's got a self-locking device, I guess you call it. So you've got the different collets and things like that. So when it comes in, it kind of looks a bit like this, and that piece is installed there inside. So it looks a bit like this one here, over here. So this is the right-hand one. And you can tell the difference between, this one's the right one because it's just black, whereas this one's the left-hand one because it is white. So we've got that. And so we want the left-hand one because all these are labeled with little L's on the end. Oh yeah, there's an L, yep.
L and a C, so each one's got, so this is a C blade. This one here has got an A. This one's got a B. So this is one set. So that's what we want for this first set. So we don't need the motor just yet. Depending on which particular motor you're using, U11, 2, there's also a U8, but when you're using the U8, you use this particular collet. It's just the nature of the beast for that one. We won't be needing that because we're doing the U11. So you take the center collet, which is the left-hand one. So they have A, this is the C one obviously, so C goes with C, B with B, and A with A, like that. So what you do is you also put, as you do them, you put a second one in, and then you put these little grommets on.
Okay, so first of all we need these little fellas, and how long are they?
The 15s. They're 15 by 3s, yeah.
Yeah, and we pop those into the centre pieces.
Yep, down she goes. There you go. Alright, so that's the first stage, that's where we're at.
Okay, and now we put the next layer on.
Your eyes confess what lips won't say.
Okay, so yeah, collet is on there.
Which way up? That's okay.
Where you want to do it, so it's got the, what do you call it, the offset to allow it to go flush. Otherwise, if it goes around this way,
so it can only go on one way.
it was just sitting in the air, you see. So it has to go in that way, so it's flush.
That's what you want.
Cool.
Okay, so the next one you just use the same kind of bolts.
Exact same, 3 by 15s. So now we've got our motor.
And this is the U11, so that's going on there. And what do we get? We get that bottom section.
Mm-hmm. Line it up with the little holes. Line it up with the bottom holes.
You can see the holes through there.
Yeah, and then these particular ones go in there. So we've got 4 of them to go in, I think.
4 big ones for this particular motor. It's quite cool how it's got integrated quick release. Just make sure you get it the right way around. Don't put the wrong one on the wrong motor. That would be bad. But it'd be quite good in transport. I guess the idea is that, you know, so it's a big cop down that you're designing, which is, this one is fairly large.
Yeah, it's fairly large, yeah.
The good thing about that is that you can take the propellers off when you're transporting them, pop them back on. Okay, so then once it's all lined up, you just spin it on.
Okay, so it's all mounted, and yeah, it's good to go. And there you go.